Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany, if you don't already know that. And today we are going to do a little plaid nail design. So I'm going to do this with some gel polishes, some acrylic paints, because I don't have a black gel polish, so I might use the black acrylic paint. I was thinking of maybe using some striping tape. They're not tools, they're tape. Some striping tape. I've already prepped my nails. They've already been primed, buffed, shaped, and all of that good stuff. This is Chroma gel. It's a one-step gel polish. So you've probably seen me use some of them before. I use the white quite a lot. So this is very thick gel, very thick. And the white one I find is a lot thicker. The white one is like crazy thick. Look at that. I'm not the biggest fan of these. I brought a whole load of colours and I use them mostly. I use them mostly for nail arty stuff and adding some nail art to nails with the gel polish. So, as I was saying, this is the Chroma Gel One Step Gel Polish. It's one step because it says, apply first thin coat directly to the natural nail and cure. We do not need a base coat, which scares me a little bit. Then paint a second coat, cure. Curing time in an LED is 30 seconds, in a UV 2 minutes. So if you are a nail tech, because these are for professional use only, one coat, cure, second coat, cure, you're done. You don't need a base coat, you don't need a top coat. I am using a top coat. I'm going to use the matte top coat, but ordinary you don't need a top coat. However, if you don't use a top coat with this, it's not as shiny. So there, got that off my chest. And we're going to go in with our first coat, a thin coat. Freaks me out putting this straight on the nail without a base coat. But that's what it's for. So, but as I said, I have used it a few times and I've used it on clients and we haven't been 100% sold on it. So don't forget to cap your edge. Yeah, haven't been 100% sold on the product, I must admit. But the colour range is amazing, really good, and the fact that you don't have to base coat and top coat, although they do sell a top coat for it, so you can obviously use a top coat. It goes on nicely. I don't know why I didn't like it. I can't remember. It was something. Obviously it doesn't shrink, it doesn't do anything like that. Okay. I'm going to pop that in the lamp for its 30 seconds and then I will do the other hand. This might be something else that will interest you as well. So I've done the first coat, cured in the LED light, doesn't have a sticky layer. So when you do your layers, literally that's all you need to do is your 2 coats. You don't have to top coat. You don't have to wipe away the sticky residue. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with my second coat. As you can see, 2 coats of this has covered beautifully. I'd hope I wasn't such a slob. So make sure you remove any of that varnish, any of that gel from your fingers before you place in your LED light. Okay, so that's that. That's 2 coats. So you could just walk away. That would be your manicure done. It has that kind of like a rubbery texture. It's not like hugely shiny. But yeah, it has like a rubbery kind of texture. It's strange. Okay, so a bit of finishing wipe, some gel residue wipe, and a brush. Okay, so we preferred the gel polish. So gently floating the brush over to lay that red down. That's going to go in the lamp. Right, so back in with that red, and we're going to go across. Okay, so now I'm going to go for a super duper thin striping brush. I'm going to dip into that red. Okay, and then I'm going to do a teeny weeny stripe up here. Okay, so I think we're going to use some striping tape, and I can't decide whether I want to use the white or black. Yep. Alright, so I'm going to cut off that little bit there. I'm going to use my lamp, and I'm going to cut off some strips. That's very handy. I'm going to use a white lamp. And pre-cut some strips. Right. Let me put one Can you see? You'd probably like to be a bit closer, wouldn't you? Let's see if I can zoom you into this bit. Striping tape is so fiddly. Right, I think I'm going to do black as well. Yeah. That. I'm so sorry if you can't see. Striping tape is so fiddly. It's so fiddly. Trying to put it on. Ah, yeah. That's made a difference. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to matte top coat these. So just these two. I'm going to matte top coat, and because I like these ones a little bit more shinier, I know they look shiny on camera, because I like them a little bit more shinier, I'm going to put a shiny top coat on these ones. And here they are. I literally have striping tape everywhere. Stuck to me, I keep finding it. So we've got two matte and the rest are shiny. Why are you not focusing on? There you go, two matte and the rest are shiny. So that was my plaid nail design with striping tape. So I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and come look me up on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see you all next time. Bye!